Hey, I'm Brooke, and I am super excited to review for you this Royal Craftwood premium cheese board set. So I might be a little bit more excited about this than the average person because I'm an entertainer and I love charcuterie. So this thing is a dream. I'm gonna start just by showing you exactly how it comes out of the box, and then I'm going to break and show you the individual pieces, but it is incredibly well packaged in here. They have everything in plastic seal. So it is a bamboo wood set. Give me a minute and we'll come right back and I'll show you all the pieces that come inside of here. All right, now that I have this all unwrapped, come on down and I'm gonna show you exactly what comes in here. So they have it well packaged and even with foam in here because there are 3 super adorable mini ceramic dishes here. They have their own groove in your tray. So you have 3 different ones here. Actually, I'm doing this the wrong way. So you have 2 separate removable trays. So you could put a large dish here, your cheeses. There's inserts we'll look at afterwards. These are actually just card holders. So if you had different sections of different things and you want to name your cheeses or whatever it might be, you have little individual card holders. You have, and this part I adore, a drawer. Inside this drawer, there is an entire set. So you have a heart shape or wedge shape spreader or cutter. This one is incredibly sharp on the edge. You have a serving fork. There's 2 different spreaders here. And then you have your little individual forks. So all of this comes inside this set. I'll tell you what, I am super excited to get this thing to good use. As a matter of fact, I'm going to insert down below the first time I used this thing for an event. This is real bamboo. You need to hand wash it. You cannot put something like this in the dishwasher, but if you take good care of it and you even use food grade mineral oils at least once a month, this is an investment that lasts a long time. And with these kinds of features, like even something as simple as a cracker groove on both sides of the board, this is one that you'll have tons of uses for and easily be able to impress people with. So the Royal Craftwood cheese board set is a great, great buy.